This is segment 3, creating an informal outline for an informational paragraph. So the things that you're going to need for this segment, you're going to need your circle map that was created in the first segment. You're also going to need your topic sentences created in the second segment. You will also need 3 colors. These are our step-up colors, which are green, yellow, and red. So what we say is green means go, that's our topic sentence. Yellow is to slow down, and red is to stop and give examples. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up a paper for an informal outline. You may have also heard that this is called a T-chart. You can use those terms interchangeably. So it can be called a T-chart or an informal outline. Second grade, we usually use the term informal outline. So the way that we set it up is first that we fold our paper vertically. And then I'm going to count these solid lines. I'm going to count 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think I need to give myself one more, so let's go 6. I'm going to trace it all the way across. And I'm going to do the same thing from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Trace it all the way across. And then I'm going to connect those 2 in the center. Now this is called an informal outline. And we often will tell our students that you can see a big letter I in the informal outline. The next thing I need to do is I need to give myself 3 stars, my star ideas, which are also called RDFs, reason, details, and facts. And I'm going to give myself 3 stars because if you remember, back on the circle map, I circled 3 ideas. So those 3 ideas are now my 3 star ideas. And I'm going to just evenly space out those stars as best I can. And then I like to trace a line in between to separate them. Okay, now we're going to add on our colors. So our first color is green. Green means go. And I'm going to add on my yellows. So my yellows are my stars, and I can color it in or I can trace the stars, whatever you like. Next is the red. So I'm going to give myself, for right now I'm just going to give myself 1 red each. You can always give yourself more than 1 red. And then at the bottom is green. So over here, these yellows, again, are called RDFs, and that stands for reason, detail, and fact. That's what we're giving over here on the left side. Over here on the right side, our reds are also called our E's. And with our E's, we explain or give examples. So now our paper is set up and it's ready to go ahead and fill in. So the great thing is that we already have our topic sentence written down. So I chose this one as my topic sentence. So I'm just going to copy it right onto my informal outline. I'm going to give myself 2 finger space indent. And I'm going to rewrite that topic sentence. Although there are many life skills, these are the 3 most important. Okay, there we go. The next step Now I'm going to add on my star ideas, which are these three that I circled. So I'm going to go ahead and add those on. I had perseverance, kindness, and integrity. I also want to add on transition words. Transition words are words like first, next, last, one another, finally. So I'm going to add those on to remind myself that when I write my sentences, I need to have transition words for my yellows. Okay, so my topic sentence is complete, I have my yellows, and now I'm going to move on to my reds. So again, I said the reds are also called E's, which means to explain or give examples. I'm going to explain what each of these star ideas are. When you are writing your reds, you do not need to write in complete sentences. The point of these reds is just to get your ideas down. So you just want to write phrases or words to remind yourself when you write your accordion paragraph what you're going to be writing about. So perseverance, I'm just going to write never give up. Because again, remember, I'm explaining what this is. Kindness, treat others well. And integrity, doing the right thing. Excuse me. Right thing. Okay. The last thing I'm going to do with the writing here is I'm going to add on my conclusion. Again, if you remember, looking back at my topic sentences here, I chose one for the topic and one for the conclusion, excuse me. So what I did is I just added on a conclusion word, clearly. Conclusion words can be clearly, obviously, all in all. I'm going to use clearly, comma, and then I added there are. And then I'm going to use my topic sentence, but now it is a conclusion. Clearly, there are various life skills that make up our Rosa Parks way. Clearly, comma, there are various life skills that make up our Rosa Parks way. Okay. And there is your informal outline. Now the last thing you're going to do before you are finished with your informal outline is to use your informal outline checklist. Okay. Here's my checklist. And I'm going to go through and make sure that I have done each of these things. I don't need to physically check it off. I can just kind of mentally check it off. So the first thing it says is, did you write your name, number, and date? Nope, I did not. So I'm going to go back. Normally, the students are not going to write informal outline. I just wrote it there so you knew what this step was called. So students would normally write their first, last, the date, and their class number. Okay. Did you write a topic sentence? Yes, I have my topic sentence. Did you write 3 yellow main ideas? Yes, I have 3 yellow main ideas. Did you write red details for each yellow main idea? Yep, I did that. Did you write a conclusion sentence? Yes, I have that. And does your conclusion sentence have a conclusion word? Yes, my conclusion word is clearly. So now my informal outline is complete and I'm ready for my next step. The next step is going to be the rough draft, which you will see in segment 4.